I want to talk about home buyers sitting on the fence, waiting for the perfect time to buy, waiting for rates to go down, waiting for the real estate market to settle down, and why that's a bad idea and that math just doesn't make any sense. It makes no sense, but I'm going to explain it here, and hopefully it will all make sense when I'm done. So first of all, inflation numbers come out today. Yay, we're at 2.7 for Canada's annual inflation rate. That is good news. I know it doesn't feel like there's good news right now because everything's super expensive, but that's good news. Things are moving in the right direction. The Bank of Canada has been stalling on rate cuts. There is an announcement coming up in June, and widely expected that the first rate cut will be in June. Some think maybe July, but I'd be surprised if there wasn't at least a small rate cut in June, but we'll see. We'll see. If you talk to Benjamin Tall, who is CIBC Deputy Chief Economist, he was in the Globe and Mail a few days ago, and he said, we're in a recession, and I would bet there will be a rate cut in June. So there you go. Now, should you wait around for interest rates to come down significantly before you buy a house in Alberta? I'm going to say no. And the reason is that Alberta house prices are going up by around 10% a year right now. That's a lot. And if you're in Calgary, oh my, it is maniacal in Calgary. Like multiple offers like crazy. I just talked to a realtor in Lethbridge, sleepy, stable Lethbridge. And she had a very well-priced property on the market, like probably below average house price cost. So maybe like a starter home or fixer-upper. She had over 20 offers in Lethbridge. Okay, so my point is, what costs $500,000 today in various markets in Alberta might cost $525,000 by the fall or by winter. So if you're waiting for interest rates to come down, how much do you think they need to come down and how fast to make up for the fact that when you go to buy the house you waited 6 months to buy has gone up by tens of thousands of dollars? Well, you've lost your interest rate savings because the house prices are that much higher. What happens when interest rates start to fall is all those home buyers who've been sitting on the fence, just like you, waiting, guess what? They jump off the fence and go to buy a house too, driving up demand while the housing supply, which will never catch up in the foreseeable future, stays the same or goes down. Thus, real estate prices increase. It's always supply and demand, always, always, always. So, the moral of the story is trying to find the perfect time to buy a house in Alberta's real estate market. It's a losing battle because it's like trying to find the perfect time to get married, have a child, or make any other big life change. You can never time it perfectly. And if you did time it perfectly, that's just sheer luck. And I'm talking to you baby boomers who bought your house for, I don't know, a bag of rocks and $10,000 in the 50s and can retire on your net worth from that house. So, I mean, I'm kind of making a joke there, but you know, we all work hard for our homes, but these last couple generations, oh my, it's so hard to get into the housing market. So call a mortgage broker, call me, get a fully underwritten pre-approval. If it's the right time for your family to own a home, if it's the right time in your life to own a home, if it's the right time in your career trajectory to own a home, then go get pre-approved. Take that pre-approval, run to your nearest awesome local realtor and go buy a house. Alberta's a great place to put your money. It's growing. I know we're in a recession technically in Canada. It doesn't feel like that in Alberta. And it is still the land of prosperity. So if you are able to buy a home, There's not really anything to wait for. If you have questions, give me a call or shoot me a text, 403-382-7335, or looking up at karriflatla.com. It's been super fun getting back onto a video and talking to you, and hopefully I'll do another one soon. Take care and have a great day and happy house hunting.